Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share tips and strategies to improve your English speaking skills.
That's right. Today, we're diving into some unique and engaging techniques that will help you become a confident English speaker in various situations and places.
Let's start with visiting a cafe. Hi there, mind if I join you at this table?
Not at all. Please, have a seat.
Thanks. So, what brings you to this cafe today?
Just taking a break from work. How about you?
Same here, needed a change of scenery. Do you come here often?
Yeah, it's one of my favorite spots for coffee and relaxation. What do you do for work?
I work in marketing. It's challenging but exciting. How about you?
I'm in IT. Marketing sounds interesting. Do you enjoy it?
Definitely, I love the creative aspect of it. How about IT?
It's a dynamic field with lots to learn. So, any plans for the rest of the day? Shopping at a grocery store.
Hi, excuse me. Do you know where the dairy aisle is?
Sure, it's just around the corner. Are you finding everything okay?
Yes, thanks. I'm just picking up a few things for dinner tonight.
Do you need any recommendations for fresh produce?
Actually, I'm looking for ripe avocados. Do you know how to pick the best ones?
Yes, I do. Let me show you how to check for ripeness.
Are there any special deals or promotions on fruits today?
Yes, the apples and oranges are on sale. Would you like to take a look?
Do you know if this store carries organic produce?
Yes, they have a dedicated section for organic fruits and vegetables.
Do you know if they carry any imported fruits from other countries?
Yes, they have a selection of imported fruits in the international foods aisle.
Let's go to fitness center. Hi, I'm Jenny. Are you using this treadmill?
Hi, Jenny. No, I'm just finishing up. Feel free to use it.
Thanks. Do you come here often?
Yes, I try to work out a few times a week. How about you?
I'm new to this gym, trying to get back into a fitness routine.
That's great. Let me know if you need any help with the equipment.
Do you have any favorite workout routines you recommend?
Yes, I enjoy cardio and strength training workouts. Would you like to try one?
Are there any group fitness classes you recommend for beginners?
Yes, the yoga and Zumba classes are great for beginners to get started.
Do you follow any specific diet or nutrition plan along with your workouts?
Yes, I follow a balanced diet with plenty of protein and vegetables.
Are there personal trainers available here for guidance and customized workouts?
Yes, they have certified trainers who can help create personalized fitness plans. Visiting at a bank.
Hi, I'm looking to open a savings account. Can you help me with that?
Of course. We have various options based on your needs.
What are the interest rates like?
I can show you the current rates and discuss the benefits.
Do you offer online banking services for the savings account?
Yes, we provide online banking with features like bill payments and transfers.
Are there any fees associated with maintaining the savings account?
There may be a monthly maintenance fee, but we can discuss options to waive it.
What are the requirements for opening a savings account here?
You will need a valid ID, proof of address, and an initial deposit amount.
Can I access my savings account through mobile banking as well?
Absolutely. Our mobile app allows you to manage your savings on the go. That wraps up today's video on improving English speaking skills in various situations and places.
Remember to like this video if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment sharing your favorite place or situation to practice English speaking.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.